well, here's the heavily modified ratchet mobile. The ratchet drive is the same. All I've done is lift up the nose and lift up the motor and make a few other cosmetic tweaks. Here's the conventionally geared buggy. Here goes ratchet drive. They've had plenty of time to charge up, so there's plenty of oomph on the mechanism. Now ratchet drive is in low speed mode, and the conventionally geared buggy is getting ahead of it. Well, that's getting some speed on, and it's clearly obvious that the ratchet CVT buggy is now overtaking quite a large margin the conventionally geared buggy. Oh, he's really going there. Now he's attacking the bank on the other side of the river, and I think he might have a problem. No, well, he actually fell down a bit of a hole. Go on. Ooh, 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 painful. Just managed to climb out of there. And the while it's been struggling, the other one has caught it up. I forgot the camera zoomed in there. So this was definitely showing CVT tendencies. So the conventionally geared buggy is winning, but the ratchet drive is definitely demonstrating continuously variable transmission. On the day of the races, the ground you'll be racing along will be hard ground but slightly lumpy. It won't be grass, so I think that'll probably do better in the grassy one on the hard ground. But yeah, CVT definitely works. The wheels aren't fouling the chassis, which is good news. I need to double check that. No, all clearance is CMOK.